The virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Hello and welcome to the virtual whiteboard. Today let us learn the basic sounds for the letter D. So far we have seen the sounds for A, B and C, right? So D has the sound D. D. DA makes the sound day, as in date, dame, dare. DA also has the sound da, as in dab, dam, dance. The letters DE have the sound de, as in definite, develop, deposit. So DE has the sound de. DE also has the sound D, as in decide, deviate, describe. The letters DI has the sound die, as in dining, direct, dimension. The letters DI also have the sound D, as in different, difficult, discriminate. So the letters DI also have the sound D. The letters DO has the sound DAW, as in dot, dog, doll. So DO has the sound DAW. The letters DO also have the sound DO, as in don't, dose, dove. So the letters DO has the sound do. The letters DR have the sound dra, as in drag, drum, dress. So the letters DR have the sound dra. A lot of children make a mistake by saying dir. That is wrong. The letters DR have the sound dra. The letters DU have the sound D, as in dug, duck, dust. So the letters DU have the sound D. However, the letters DU also have the sound due, as in duty, durable, duplicate. The letters DY make the sound die, as in dynasty, dynamic, dynamite. The letters DY also have another sound which is D, as in Dyslexia Dystopia. So the letters DY also have the sound D. Children, please watch this video over and over again and practice the sounds for the letter D and its combination with other letters. These are basic sounds, so please practice and learn. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and keep watching more phonics videos so that you will be able to read soon. Thank you.